Hello guys, today I would be reviewing the Bolt 1500 Bluetooth speaker. I was looking out for a robust IPX7 rated speaker because whenever I'm going out with friends and all, and we had a place where we have got the pool and all, we did not have a speaker which can sustain the water splashes or the occasional drop into the swimming pool. Earlier, I was using a JBL Flip 3. The sound quality, the bass was amazing on that. However, because of age, the battery has run out and now it has become like a wall outlet connected speaker. So I generally use it for my voice calls, etc., for Zoom, etc. So now I was looking out for some Bluetooth speaker. I did not want to spend a lot of money on that. However, I was looking out for something which would give me a decent amount of volume and some decent bass. And I came across these two Bolt 1500 speakers, which were coming for a price at a price point which is quite affordable for me. Because of some offers and discounts, I got it for 12.49 a piece. The other big aspect I wanted to look for was that the two speakers should be able to connect to each other. Hence, this particular Bolt 1500 using the TWS technology can connect with itself and can provide a good amount of volume and give you the stereo effect you require. I played it for a week or so. The battery times are decent. It gives you a backup of around 8 hours, and the wattage, though it is 3 watts, however, when you are pairing it in the stereo mode, it gives a decent amount of volume. So without further ado, let me play you a sample, and then I will come back to how I went ahead and connected in the TWS mode. Before I go ahead, I would also like to say that I wasn't able to connect in the TWS mode right up front, so I gave the customer service a call and they were quite prompt enough to help me out with the whole thing. So just hold on a minute. Let me connect to a particular non-copyright music which is available on YouTube, so that they don't do a copyright strike down. Right.
Was closed 20 years ago, and just not to run away. Sitting door out to cross the pavement, hoping little pavements for me hold. Wondering how the world keeps on spinning, kinda still living when it unfolds. Hard to see the light when everything is silent, waiting for it to clear. Thankful I'm alive, but terrified of dying. But hey, I'm still here. It's a bad sometimes. I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so pure.
Okay, so right now the two speakers were playing in the stereo mode. Let me just turn off one of them so that you can also have a fair idea that how does it sound with one of the speakers. If you wear a headphone or a good quality headphone, you would be able to appreciate the music better. So before I go ahead and turn on only one speaker for you to check, I would like to say that when these two are paired together, the combined output looks to be like it's looks like it's better than 6 watts of speaker. And I hope that this, and the whole construction of this speaker is very robust. So I think this will be able to survive a few falls as well, but I would not recommend that. However, looks like to be a very well designed product. So let me start and check for one particular speaker here how it sounds.
Listen, I can see the light but I can also see the bones again. I don't know what else there is.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
I forgive the pain you gave to me so long ago. Sleepless nights I laid awake just begging to. In a world where everything's wanted.
When it hurts like this,
Okay, so the volume is was at 100% when I was driving both the speakers here in the stereo mode. Right at 100%, the sound distorts a bit, but you cannot expect too much out of these speakers at the price point you get it for. In Amazon or Flipkart, it retails at around $15.99. I got it for around $12.48 a piece because of some extra discount from another website. I had a few loyalty points which helped me to get that discount. So all in all, before we started off with the sound test, etc., I said that I will come back to how we can go ahead and pair it in the TWS mode, for which I had to call the customer service. I could not find it anywhere on YouTube where they actually talked about how to pair these two speakers together. It's not as it's not a giveaway when you are doing it when compared to, say, a JBL device where you have a dedicated button to pair the other JBL devices. Now here what you have to do is that you have to turn on one of the Bluetooth speakers. You can find that over here you have all the buttons, which this is the power button or the call taking button. This is the manual mode where you have the you can press it, you will get into the radio mode. I have not tested the radio mode much. Other than that, you have the track change and pause button and the volume up and down button. So once you turn on the one of the Bluetooth speakers, you need to pair only one with the phone. Once you have done that, then you turn on the other Bluetooth speaker, okay, and then leave it for 5-10 seconds. These two automatically connect between themselves, like it happens with our in-ear headphones which we use for call taking, etc., and then you can pair it together. So hopefully this video will be able to resolve a few of your queries around this particular speaker. I am looking forward to using it much more extensively. I have not taken it out yet, but this coming week, Christmas weekend, and then the New Year weekend, I'm going out with my friends and family for outing, and I hope to use it extensively around the pool area where its waterproofing IPX7 rating will also get tested. Thanks a lot for watching this video.